morning, everyone. Many of you stayed up late night studying or scrolling on your phone. We often treat sleep as optional, something we can easily sacrifice. But today, I want to show you why sleep is not a luxury but a biological necessity for our survival. In 1965, a 17 years old student stayed awake for 11 days. By day 2, his eyes could not focus. By day 3, he became moody and uncoordinated. Near the end, he suffered from memory loss and severe uh, injury. Randy was lucky to recover, but chronic sleep loss leads to serious harm. It affects our mood, learning, and reaction times, while increasing the risk of high blood pressure, diabetes, and stroke. In extreme cases, sleeplessness can even be fatal. So, why does losing sleep cause such immense suffering? The answer lies in brain waste. While we are awake, our brain cells consume energy and produce chemical bioproducts like adenosine. As adenosine builds up throughout the day, it creates sleep pressure. That heavy feeling tells us to rest. Caffeine works simply by blocking this chemical, but adenosine is not the only waste. Other toxic materials also pile up between cells. If if they are not cleared away, they literally overload the brain. This is where sleep saves us. During deep sleep, our brain activates a newly discovered cleanup mechanism called the uh, glymphatic system. And using this fluid, it flows away all the toxic waste that build up during the day while repairing our DNA. Sleep is not downtime where our brain shuts down. It is an activity nightly reset that washes our brain and protects our health. So if you want to perform well and stay healthy, don't sacrifice your shut eye. Prioritize your sleep tonight. Thank you for listening.